Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change and manage the page zooming features or functionality in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then click mo lang tong 3 dot icon, and then next icon mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung appearance. And then dito sa appearance, scroll down. At makikita mo kaagad dito yung tinatawag na page zoom. Right? So ang standard page zoom levels ay nasa 100%. So pwede mong i-adjust ito. And then click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then select ka lang dito kung ilang percent zoom levels yung gusto mo. Okay? So dito siya. Ayan, select ka lang dyan. Alright? And then next naman ay dito naman sa kanyang default zoom levels for all sites. To see zoom levels for certain sites ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong zoom levels. So i-click mo lang ito. Okay, so makikita mo kagad dito yung site permission zoom levels. Nandito yung mga websites. So makikita mo dito kung ilang page yung levels mayroon siya. Ito siya. And then halimbawa mag-open tayo ng another tab. And then pwede mong i-adjust to. So gamit mo lang yung control plus yung mouse key natin. So ganito siya. Ayan. So pwede mong i-adjust. Ganito, alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-change and manage ang page zooms on Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.